How to fix Instagram widescreen in less than 1 minute. Hello guys, so in this video or this tutorial I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram widescreen easily. So all what you have to do is just go to the settings on your phone and then go to the wireless and networks. Right here all what you have to do is enable the airplane mode and disable it again, and then go to the Wi-Fi and enable it and disable it again. Then go back and this time go to the apps manager. Go to apps, scroll down until you find the Instagram app, click on it. Now this is the app informations. All what you have to do on this page is very easy and simple. Just click on this force stop option. After you click on it, then all what you have to do now is restart your phone and reopen Instagram, and the problem must be solved, and congratulations. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the very end. See you later.